very exciting because it's getting close and the time to really bash up the Pakistanis is coming. It's very exciting, isn't it? I mean, we're going to bomb the living daylights out of these people. Major Samar Paltur. And with us tonight is your favorite General K.K. Sinha and Abhijit Iyer Mitra from the Indian side. Raja Faisal from Lahore, Brigadier Waqar Hussain Khan from Lahore, Irshad Ahmad Khan from Islamabad, and Dr. Hussain Thibault is a strategic affairs analyst from Lahore. Exciting times, Major?
Yes.
Exciting times.
Indeed.
When we hammer them, will we go after their civilians or will we, make it focused? Because there's a lot of panic in Pakistan. What message would you send to the Pakistanis?
Arnab, my message to the Pakistanis today at this hour on the 29th of April, 2025 will go down in history when I am telling you that when you see an Indian soldier approach you, do not panic, do not run, do not do something which is stupid or which is going to put your life in harm. Ladies and the mothers who are unarmed, who have nothing to do with the conflict, they are going to feel safe because our enemy is not the Pakistan Awam. Our enemy is the Pakistan establishment. जो वर्दी वाले हैं वो दुश्मन हैं और मैं अपील करूंगा पीटीआई के सपोर्टर्स को कि जब हिंदुस्तान की फौजें बढ़ेंगी ये पाकिस्तान के अंदर इन्हें वहीं पे मारेंगे और हमारे साथ मिलेंगे।
चलो बे कारतूस
इरशाद,
चलो बे कारतूस,
चलो बेटे, शाबाश, ड्यूटी पूरी हो गई।
चलो बे कारतूस, मैंने गन रखी है, ये पीछे इधर से फायर मारूंगा तुझे करना लाए।
अगले को लाए।
ये पीछे गन देखो मेरे, ये गन रखी हुई है, इधर से फायर मारूंगा सीधा,
मारो,
याद रखना।
This man is
इरशाद जी आपके घर में बिरयानी खाने आ रहा हूँ।
मेजर डर जाएगा।
इरशाद जी आपके घर में बिरयानी खाने आ रहा हूँ, आपके लिए दवाइयाँ भी लेके आ रहा हूँ और आपके लिए कुछ राशन भी लेके आऊंगा और सबसे जरूरी पानी तो है नहीं तो पानी तो जरूर लेके आऊंगा आपके लिए।
Now one of the important things here today is that you see that as you can observe from the Pakistanis today, 2 out of the 4 Pakistani guests इनका mental balance खराब हो चुका है, right? They are getting hysterical. This response is hysterical. इसको कहते हैं hysterical response. He's not in control. But we know what we are doing out here. I don't think they have a sense. General K.K. Sinha, Irshad, जरा 2 मिनट चुप रहिए. General K.K. Sinha, this meeting that has been held by the, there is a meeting with Amit Shah happening even now. General Anil Chauhan, General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of Army Staff, Navy Staff, Defense Staff, National Security Advisor, Defense Minister, after which a statement has been informally issued that total operational freedom has been given to decide the mode, targets and timing of our response. And the nature of the deployment is, Hussain, just shut up, will you, for 2 minutes? Will you shut up for 2 minutes? Just shut up for 2 minutes. Anyway, now the thing is, we are talking serious strategy. Can I get these non-serious people out? General K.K. Sinha, deployment is clear. I mean, it's, we are technologically way ahead now. We have drones, we have all kinds of equipment. We have levels of equipment that have been disclosed, and there are also many, many weapon systems that have not been disclosed, right? And therefore, this time is it's going to be very different from 71, very different from Kargil. It's going to be full-on Indian power because the India of 2025, our forces are equipped extremely differently.
This is the first line.
And therefore, 1 minute. Therefore, KK, after KK.
That it is not 1971.
So Faisal,
Can you finish Arnab to speak?
Faisal. You see the Pakistanis.
Standing at 1971.
Arnab.
Raja, will you be quiet for a minute?
Arnab.
Yeah.
Arnav.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want you to
Now,
visualize the situation emerging now for the Pakis. General KK.
Yeah, now, good evening. Today is the great day as far the India is concerned. It is not even 1971 when we got such clear-cut directions from the head of the state. We have got that we can do anything what we feel.
He's allowed to.
And the way we do it professionally, we don't do it, like this. These people who are jumping jack, they have been doing, they will do it on the television channel also today. What I want to tell the Pakistanis who are sitting here and also the Pakistanis who are listening, please, for God's sake, understand it is not for the 25 crore Pakistani we are coming. Because you want to get liberated, it is Balochistan, it is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it is POK, Gilgit-Baltistan. I'm in touch with them because I operated in Gilgit-Baltistan. They wanted to come back with India. So, friend, you may jump on television channel, but today I think the first time we have got a free hand. The free hand is not like you. We are going to do professionally. Our spectrum, you must understand, our spectrum is from this end to that end. It is all out to limited to take the POK back, get the Gilgit-Baltistan because it's falling.
DGISPR press conference. This is very
Today
serious.
you will shout.
This is
Today
very
the
serious.
people from POK are listening.
Serious times.
We are not
And I
going to
think
come to you.
we would not be accepting
Dutch
any jokes from you.
who shouts on television channel, who has got no brain,
Raja.
who doesn't know anything, who sits in the pan. I have seen your Fauji's
Time is over.
actually sitting in the pan.
Time is
Today, should I
over.
tell you? Today, India has never
We are going to nip you very really.
5310, a feature which is deep inside in Gilgit-Baltistan. It is heading towards the Sakardo. We captured it. You covered people. You never had the guts to even come back and claim it. You came 4 kilometers in Tiger Hill.
We will
We
never allow
have
you to
taken,
dare come
the
to
casualty.
The point is, let us look at the capabilities here. Let us look at the capabilities here. Raja, you have to listen to me.
Complete POK.
One minute. Raja, you got to listen to me. You got to listen
You
to
will
me.
see, you will see,
and then we
you will
can have
see.
a clear discussion.
You'll see this.
Yeah.
You
Raja.
have been doing terrorism.
No,
you
Raja,
are thinking that you're going long.
It's all very brave of you.
Sort out. And it is not.
Yeah, 1 minute, Raja. 1 minute. General KK, give me a moment.
Of Indian
Summer is on.
military's involvement.
Abhijit, please wait a minute. Can I get 4 windows with Raja on one side? Yeah, one second. Now listen to me, Raja.
Arnab, I would like to talk about DGISPR.
I would like to say something
Why
to you,
you're ignoring
and
it?
only to you, and I need you to. I need you
don't
to.
want the world to know who Major Sandeep is.
Now the question is that we have to be very rational when we are speaking to each other, right? I know completely well. This is natural response of a frightened country that it does not know what to do.
They are petrified.
Now, they are completely petrified. Now, the point is here, Raja, that Hamid Mir has said, Hamid Mir is a Pakistani journalist and news anchor, and he has said that Pakistan cannot afford a war with India. And then he was asked, who told you this? He said that there was a conference.
No country would ever want.
Hamid Mir, a Pakistani famous journalist, famous Pakistani journalist, a famous Pakistani journalist called Hamid Mir has said that General Bajwa confessed that Pakistan army is no match for the Indian army. This was quoted in your media.
How to fight.
Hamid Mir
don't
told
want to
that
wage
you
a war.
can't afford
Hamid
it.
Mir said that about your media. Hamid Mir said that about your army.
War hysteria, if it is taking us towards a war between both of the nuclear countries, will
1 minute, it's not. 1 minute. 1 minute. Take the windows here.
It is not us going to war. It is you who's imposed the war on us. It is because of your deeds. जो तुम्हारे पाप है, उसने हमें मजबूर कर दिया है तुम्हें जूते मारने के लिए. And trust me, if you are going to bleed us with 1,000 cuts, we are going to finish you off with one strike of a sword.
कर्नल
तुमने कलमा पढ़ा के मारा है, हम तुम्हें कलम करके मारेंगे। We are going to strike you down.
Now, first of all, I want Raja Faisal and the Pakistanis to calm down. Calm down here right now, I say. Calm down.
Please.
1 minute. Put me with the Pakis. What's their problem?
What's wrong with you? You are with
Now,
these otherwise.
now the point being,
The joker you always bring with yourself, I don't want to
Otherwise,
talk to
हम
him.
लोग
yeah, Raja,
To
you one
as
minute.
it is are looking like a butler today. That day you
Put
were
him on.
looking like a waiter. Today you're looking like a butler. थोड़ा standard ठीक हुआ है in appearance.
No, I don't want to talk to you. I
You
don't want
better
to
not talk to me.
I know you.
You will get it real bad.
You are.
Trust
Who do
me.
you think you are?
Trust me, you are going to get something so spicy, so nice. तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि तुम्हें एक तो पानी नसीब नहीं है,
यार
खाने के लाले पड़े हुए हैं।
तुम ना
अरे
सस्ते वाला गौरवानिया
जाके
बनने की
राशन
कोशिश कर
खरीदो,
रहे हो।
अभी
सस्ते
टाइम
वाला
है, जाके
गौरवानिया।
राशन खरीदो, जाके दवाइयाँ खरीद लो और कहीं
गौरवानिया।
Now,
गो टेक शेल्टर।
the question tonight is, we are being very rational tonight.
You're a sustainable
And to the
gauvaria.
Pakistanis, I want to say this to you. See,
Someone mature.
Raja, if you could win a war by shouting at Major Samarpal Tur Singh, it was a different matter. But that's not how you win wars. To win wars, you need to have energy reserves. And let me tell you something today. 81% of your total oil reserves and 70% of your cumulative gas reserves have been consumed. To fight a war, any geostrategic analyst, any bacha will tell you that you need to have energy bandwidth.
We're waiting for
You
you.
do not have the energy bandwidth to fight a war.
Have petrol as
You do not have the energy bandwidth to fight a war. Do you understand that?
opportunity for India to wage a
Do
war.
you understand that? You do not have even energy to fly gas balloons.
We'll show you in the war.
1 minute, they need to 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm trying to explain to him. Do you have any brains? Raja, listen, Dr. Hussain, you have brains between your ears. There's some grey matter, I hope. Then you need to understand and talk to me like a person who has grey matter. Now listen to me, both of you. Okay, one is a journalist, one is an analyst. We both samajh nahi rahe. The fact of the matter is, your own committed media publication, which is called DAWN Dawn, has said that the total recoverable resources of crude oil and natural gas have depleted, right? We have consumed 81% of total oil and 70% of cumulative gas reserves. This is more than 12 months back. Today, if there is a war, you can do all this thing on, but the moment a war starts, your army will need fuel, will need energy, will need the, 1 minute, they will need the money.
That's why
We'll need the money to fight a war.
For India.
We'll need the fuel to fight a war. You're going to the bloody IMF right now. You're going to the IMF right now saying, give
Don't
me
shout it.
one more loan.
Listen,
Give me one more loan.
if
You
you-
think you will take us
if
on?
you
You'll be
are a
finished in a
journalist,
week.
If you are an anchor person, if you are a journalist, be decent man.
I want
1 minute. Don't teach me decency. Hussain, don't teach me decency. Be
We are
decent to
here
answer my question.
answer you. But if you are raising your question and giving your own answer, that
Hussain,
is
stop
bullshit.
crying. I'm telling you that your media has said you do not have energy reserves to fight a war. Do you understand English?
We have.
Do you understand English, Hussain?
Gentlemen, let me allow to ask
You
you
don't
something.
understand English,
What
Raja.
happened
God,
today?
man, these guys
I
are
have
so
learned
thick.
from some
I think
reliable
it's the best opportunity
sources
for India to
that
wage a war
Lieutenant
against us.
General M.B. Kumar has resigned from service. What happened?
Now you have to sell. Listen, I don't want to run you down. I don't want to insult you. But you are a gadha economy. You are a gadha economy. You have to sell donkeys to China to support your economy. You understand that? You are a gadha economy. You are selling donkeys to China to sustain your economy. You're going to the IMF right now for a loan. Do you think the IMF will give you a loan if you're taking on India in battle? You choose. You live on loans. You are an EMI country. You are an EMI country. You can't even pay your EMIs, damn it.
now sell your cells to China. Your stock of donkeys are over. Now sell your cells to China.
We don't need any kind of loan. We are here to fight with you. Where is
You
today?
can't
Where-
fight
What do
with
you
us.
mean? You've already been fighting. You've been fighting. Kayer ki tarah, like a coward you've been
You
fighting.
fight with what, man?
it will
You'll
be a
fight with name.
face duel.
Chandra Sinha,
You do not know.
की
You
लड़ाई
do
होगी।
not.
if you want a war, wage a
समर
war
पाल,
against us.
he is ready
पता नहीं
for
कहाँ से
invasion.
जोकर आ जाते हैं
You
यार
do
आपको
not
why don't you not realize
for your
to
time.
fight a war at least in a week अगर आप 4 दिन की लड़ाई
No,
लड़ो
I want to tell you one thing. The thing is, you need to, Raja, 1 minute. Raja, 1 minute. Listen, first of all, I want to tell the Pakistanis, listen, you are now perspiring because you know we are coming and we'll come when we want to. We'll do what we want to at the time of our choosing. The question is, you started it. You told people, you sent people and told them, you sent people and you told them, check whether they are Muslim and kill them. You want to try and divide the country? We're going to come after you. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, everybody, we are going to come after you. Now you'll understand what happens when the India of 2025. You know, the problem is they have no idea of their present status. Their economy is smaller than Peru. Their economy. Raja, I'll tell you. Raja, stop being delusional.
They are in denial.
No, they're delusional. They're not in denial. They're delusional. They are a delusional country. They don't know their situation in the world.
Can you please put on General Sinha with me?
Now, 1 minute. I won't put on anyone as you
don't
wish.
deserve General Sinha.
Because Samar will hammer it nice and proper to you. Right?
I need to give it to them that your general Asif Munir, the fanatic,
Where is Asif Munir, by the way?
Where is he?
Where is Asif Munir, by the way?
where is he hiding?
Where is he?
Where
is he?
Buzdal.
Coward!
And I assure you, like how Gaddafi's images came out when it was his last moment, that is the exact result that is going to happen to Munir.
Now, they don't like it when I tell them about Hamid Mir. Abhijit Iyer Mitra is on the debate. Raja, but don't worry, General KK is going to come. Indian generals know. They don't keep hitting everything. But when he comes, he's going to bombard you right through and through,
Speak for your country.
He's going to hammer you through and through,
But there are few jokers.
Raja, your wishes will be.
Raja,
No, I will come back.
Yeah, he's going to make a comeback, but I'm getting Abhijit Iyer Mitra for now.
exactly it is, how it is going to be.
Abhijit, the other piece of news which came in today, and I want your observations on this, is that one of the terrorists involved is Hashim Musa, who is identified as a former regular of the Pakistan Army's para forces. And it's now been revealed that Musa was trained by Pakistan's military establishment, which follows a similar pattern observed in October 2024 attacks where 6 non-locals, including 2 Indian Army personnel and 2 Army porters, were killed. Now, he was loaned. I'm giving the details of the terrorist. Damn you, will you be quiet for a minute? Are you related to him? Are you related to him?
Press conference.
Are you related to him? Yeah.
They're all
now the fact is that this also indicates, Abhijit, that this is clear Pakistan Army's para forces hand, Pakistan Army hand in the Pahalgam attack. Right. Now they are obviously at this point of time, they're unable to decide how to respond. All the reactions you're seeing tonight are a part of their emotional turbulence. But there's not one rational statement they have made. Plus, their army chief is not making a single statement of late. And there is serious problems within. Abhijit, how are you reading the situation as of tonight, please? Please.
Their army chief isn't opening his mouth right now because he opened it too wide a few weeks back.
Oh, well said.
The Corps commanders are very upset with him because they weren't consulted on this. Now, with the benefit of hindsight, you can tell they were stocking up on war reserves of fuel starting in March. In March, the petrol prices fell, but Pakistan's import remained the same. So clearly, there was stocking going on. They always launch an attack when an American president comes. It started with the Chatti Singhpura massacre when Bill Clinton visited. Then in 2006, there was the Doda massacre when George Bush visited. When Barack Obama visited twice, there was a spike in violence. When Trump came in 2020, there was the Delhi riots. So this has been a very standard pattern. The problem, of course, is people open their mouths like Asim Munir does. He's not a smooth operator. He comes from a certain strata of society, which you and I will not invite into our drawing rooms. So, he's got a certain, low-class approach to things. They feel the need to sort of trumpet their views out quite publicly. And unfortunately, he's fallen foul of his own corps commanders. I think he's more afraid of his corps commanders bumping him off right now than he is of anything else.
Yeah, so that quite explains it actually. He's gone into a shell, and he's not responding. And you are seeing the Indian Army chief, Indian Air Force chief come out and speak.
He's ready.
But-
He's ready.
Gentlemen, let's get serious.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, let's get serious.
Very
I think there is nothing in the war, and I'm pretty much sure you don't want to wage a war against Pakistan, because even you yourself
You are wrong.
Pakistan.
We won't
You know
war
it
this
very well.
time.
You know it very
You
well.
are saying that
The
you
way
shouldn't go
we
to war?
fought back in
Now
February
you're scared?
2019,
Now
will
you're
be
scared because we are coming after you.
smacking you big time this
We
time.
are going to
That's
get you
why
by your tongues,
never
by your
take
neck,
it towards us.
and we are going to burn you to the
reality.
ground. I've been saying it again.
That's the reality. That's
पहले
why
पठानकोट किया,
every day
फिर
I sleep
पुलवामा किया तुमने,
I know.
अब पहलगाम
इसको
किया।
पानी दो, मर जाएगा।
2004 में you did Kalu Chat.
Our naval forces, they are on the border.
We will show you what a massacre looks like.
No,
We are
one
going to
minute.
come and massacre you.
The question is why you see now that you are saying the point very cleanly to be understood, Abhijit and General KK is coming in. Now they are saying, after all of this last week's talk, they are saying that, listen, we don't want war. Nawaz Sharif wants peace. We want to solve this matter diplomatically because they have a clear experience of the bold retaliatory strikes of Balakot. But now they have also come to the conclusion that India has realized that a single strike is not enough. Hitting their terror launch pads within 5 to 10 kilometers of the Pakistan Army post is not enough. They have a jihadist ecosystem in their country, which includes their army, damn it. Your army is part of the jihadist ecosystem. So we have to go after the center of your ecosystem, Hussain. Hussain, you got to understand. Hussain, we're going to dismantle the whole Rawalpindi machine. Please understand that under Article 51 of the UN Charter, we have absolute... 1 minute, Hussain, 1 minute. Hussain, you're an analyst. Listen to me. I believe that under Article 51 of the UN Charter, we have the right to preemptive self-defense. I can read Article 51 of the UN Charter. Nothing in the present Charter shall impair an inherent right of an individual or collective self-defense if an armed attack occurs against a member of the United Nations until the Security Council has taken measures necessary to maintain international peace and security. So if we were to go after you, you have to go to the Security Council, and nobody in the Security Council is going to support you because Article 51 gives us the right to preemptive self-defense. We're well within our legal rights to respond in the way that we need to, and we will. We will. Yes, now. Yes, now. And Hussain wants to shout. Let him shout for a while. Let him expend his remaining ammo, and then we'll go after.
Let me talk. You are the only person who are pushing your army. They are duffers. These generals are duffers, idiots. They can't fight.
Today,
Why? Can you tell me why today Lieutenant General M.S. Kumar has resigned from service? What happened with...
I am telling you again and again and again and again and again.
With M.S. Kumar?
I am telling you again and again and again. Please understand right now.
Prime Minister has given the free hand to us.
Please understand.
You know, we are going, and
No,
LOC
you
has
can't
got no
do
meaning now.
anything.
Because
Your
you
Prime
have
Minister is
already said
terrorist.
that similar
Narendra
agreement
Modi
you
is
do
a
not.
RSS
You have
Gunda.
taken the
He
decision.
can't do anything.
Diplomatically, 140 kilometers of your LOC is not there. So our troops are going to sit
you
to that
can't do
side.
anything.
And it is
I'm
very
very
easy.
sure.
You coward people, I've seen you.
Major Samar
You run
Khan and
away
General-
from the first bullet.
Both are duffers.
Listen.
I just want to paint a very, I'm going to give a very realistic scenario.
You want to take him on?
I want to take him on.
Can I make a small point before you take him on? Just because I won't get a chance once you take him on, right? So I want to make a point tonight. And jo Pakistani hai, inko meri baat sunni. They must listen to me. General, 1 minute, please. General, allow me. Irshad, allow me. Irshad, allow me. मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Please listen to me. 1 minute. First of all, हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुन लो. तुम्हारे भले में बोल रहा हूँ. तो आपके भले के लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं. सुन लीजिए अच्छी तरह से बोल रहा हूँ तो.
और ना तुम बकवास कर रहे हो.
और मेरी बात सुनिए, किसने बकवास की? आपके आसिफ मुनीर ने कहा, आप हमेशा इरशाद हमारे प्रोग्राम पे आके कहते हैं कि कारगिल में कोई पाकिस्तानी आर्मी का आदमी बंदा मरा नहीं। आप हमेशा आके चिल्ला चिल्ला के कहते हैं, ये कहते हैं, ये इरशाद कहते हैं, ये इरशाद कहते हैं, एक मिनट, ये इरशाद समर, ये इरशाद, ये इरशाद आके कहते हैं अर्नब हमने कारगिल में हमारा कोई मरा नहीं, मगर आसिफ मुनीर ने खुद कहा है। आसिफ, मेरी बात सुनो इरशाद मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं कह रहा हूं आपको, मेरी बात सुनिए, सुनना होगा आपको, सुन जाइए मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात सुने, मेरी बात सुने, मेरी बात सुनना पड़ेगा। अभी सुनने का टाइम आ गया और बाकी बहुत कुछ का भी टाइम आ गया है। बिरशाद, मेरी बात सुनिए, आपके भले के लिए कह रहा हूं।
आपका बाप लगता है बाप।
आप मेरी बात सुनिए, ज्यादा मत बोलिए,
मुझे जवाब देने देने
लिमिट पे रहिए। आप इरशाद जवाब सवाल के बाद जवाब देंगे। सलाम
आसिफ मुनीर,
इरशाद खान, तुम्हें सलवार कमीज नसीब नहीं होगी।
बंद करो यार, और मुंह बंद करो, खोते मुंह बंद
बुरके में बैठ के
और तुम्हारे हाथों से मैं बिरयानी बनवाऊंगा,
पैजामा उठा के भागोगे।
अरे ये लोग कहते हैं, ये इरशाद, ओके वॉल्यूम अप एंड ब्रिंग्स वॉल्यूम डाउन फॉर अ मिनट। इरशाद नाउ लिसन टू मी। इरशाद, वी आर वेरी पीसफुल, पर आपको तो पता ही है, आप पाकिस्तानियों को, इंडिया को जब गुस्सा आ जाता है आपका क्या होता है, आपको पता ही है, एक्सपीरियंस है आपको। नहीं, ये चिल्ला रहे, क्या चिल्ला रहे? व्हाट इज ही शाउटिंग?
सीन कैसे होगा? जस्ट इमेजिन, जब हमारी फौजें आगे बढ़ेंगी इन पे हमला करने के लिए, उसी टाइम जहां से इन्होंने अपने फौज बाहर निकाली है बलूचिस्तान से, वहां पे BLA, PRA, BLF, फिर तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान, फिर हमारे अफगानी भाई, मतलब वो भी इकट्ठा इन पे हमला करने वाले। एक वो पागल कुत्ता नहीं होता, और मैड डॉग, रेबी डॉग, वो हालत होने वाली है पाकिस्तान की।
तुम्हें मैं अपने कुत्ते के पिंजरे में बांधूंगा, करना याद रख।
ना घाट का
कुत्ते के पिंजरे में बांधूंगा तुम्हें।
शर्म आनी चाहिए,
मैंने कुत्ते
शर्म आनी चाहिए।
बुलडॉग है मेरे पास, उस जैसे हो तुम।
लड़ाई
आपको
आपके घरों में लेके आएंगे
इरशाद,
और दरख्वास्त करता हूं पाकिस्तान की आवाम को और जो PTI के सपोर्टर है कि इन्हें घरों से घसीट के मारो।
कुत्ते को बंद करो यार,
ये लायक नहीं है, ये अपने देश के सकी नहीं हो सकते।
अब मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, मेरा सवाल। इरशाद जी, हिम्मत है तो सवाल लीजिए, हिम्मत है क्या? है हिम्मत? किसकी हिम्मत है? हुसैन की, इरशाद की है? हुसैन की इरशाद की है? इरशाद की हिम्मत है, कह रहा है। हिम्मत है तो सुनो, हिम्मत है तो सुनिए, हिम्मत है तो सुनिए, सुनिए अभी मेरी बात सुनिए। देखिए इरशाद जी, सवाल सुनिए, मैं अब सिर्फ आप और मैं टीवी पर, स्क्रीन पर है, आप शांत हो जाइए। देखिए इरशाद जी, आप मेरी बात सुनिए। हर बार आप मेरे प्रोग्राम में आके कहते हैं कि देखिए अर्नब, आप गलत कह रहे हैं, कोई पाकिस्तानी फौजी नहीं मरा कारगिल में, मगर 2024 में आप ही के जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर ने एडमिट किया, उन्होंने कहा कारगिल में हजारों के संख्या में पाकिस्तानी फौजी मारे गए। ये बात ऑन रिकॉर्ड कही, फर्स्ट ऑफ हिज काइंड कन्फेशन ही मेड, और ये कन्फेशन GHQ रावलपिंडी में की इन्होंने, और उन्होंने कहा दैट हमारी रोल थी and thousands of Pakistani soldiers have been killed in Kargil। इससे ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि आप जैसे लोग एक नंबर के झूठे हो, you are liars, क्योंकि आसिफ मुनीर ने एडमिट कर दिया है और आप आके टीवी पे प्रोग्राम में आके कह रहे हो हमारे लोग मरे नहीं। अरे आप बेशरम ही नहीं, आप बेशरम ही नहीं, आप अपने फौजियों को वहां पे फेंक के चले जाते हैं।
इसका दायरे में रहे आप,
फौजियों को फेंक के चले जाते हैं लोग।
मेरा जवाब लें।
आप जवाब
देखिए, आपने अपने प्रोग्राम
दीजिए, जवाब समर आ जाए।
घर बनाया हुआ है, जू में जिस तरह जानवर बोलते हैं उस तरह आपके प्रोग्राम
जानवर आप होंगे अपने आप को जानवर बोलने वाले,
दोनों जानवरों की तरह बोल रहे हैं,
अपने आप को जानवर बोलने वाले। अरे अपने आप के साथ इतनी बदसलूकी करने वाले आप ही हो सकते हो। ये पाकिस्तानी है जो अपने साथ अपनों के साथ बदसलूकी कहते हैं, कह रहे हैं मैं जानवर हूँ।
अरे कैप्टन,
कहते हैं मैं जानवर हूँ।
शरीर तो ले जाओ जानवरों,
देखिए
जानवर भी तुमसे अच्छे हैं।
द क्वेश्चन इज, या बोलो,
जिस बंदे का नाम ही मेजर सूर हो तो वो सूर ही होगा ना, सुअर होगा वो ना, सुअर की तरह भौंकेगा।
अरे
सुनिए,
ओ गंजे, ओ मेरा नाम तूर है और तूर तुझे चूर चूर करेगा।
वहां पे बैठ के बातें आ रही है तुम्हें? अरे जब तुम बाथरूम घुसोगे ना सुबह सुबह अपना पेट क्लियर करने, ना तुम्हें पानी नसीब होगा और ऊपर छत से मिसाइल भी आने का डर होगा। तुम्हें छुपने की जगह नहीं मिलने वाली। और मैं पाकिस्तान की जितना भी यूथ है, मोहतरमाएं हैं, सिविलियन है, आप कृपया करके फौजी इलाकों से दूर हट जाएं। जितना भी राशन है कम से कम 2 महीने का राशन रखें, दवाइयां रखें और फौजी इलाकों से दूर हो जाए।
And the major statement today is America also. जो अमेरिका का रोल है this time is very important. General KK. नहीं, उन्होंने क्या कहा? What have the Americans said this time? Let me tell you what the Americans have said. So everyone knows where the Americans have said. I'm telling you what the Americans have said. The Americans have said, listen to me. The Americans have said, General KK, that Asim Munir is the new Osama bin Laden.
Yes.
They've said Asim Munir is the new Osama bin Laden.
And he will also kill in Atomabad.
And that's being said by Michael Rubin. I'm sure they know about it. I'm sure they know about it. Yeah, Jal KK को बोले, Jal KK.
Yes.
Don't shout.
Asim Munir will have the same fate. The same fate in Atomabad. It will be having the same fate because he has run away. Today he is not in the country. He is sitting in Turkey. He is not there in Pakistan. When today the decision has come, we have got the clear hand to go. Mind you, like in Abbottabad, Osama bin Laden was killed. Even your Asim Munir will have the same fate because he will be hiding somewhere. He has got no guts. He has got no guts.
Get him back.
Even the Indian armed forces are not mobilized. And your child are running away.
Now, Hussain, what's your problem? Hussain, listen. Hussain.
Right, they are prime minister.
Okay, let me hear what is this. What is he saying? Hussain, what's the problem?
Even the Indian army has not gone.
ये जनरल कुमार ने आज क्यों रिजाइन दिया है? मुझे सिर्फ ये बता दो।
Sitting in a pants.
Hussain, 1 minute. Don't respond to him. I'll tell you one thing. Hussain, I want you to listen to me. Hussain, just listen to me now. Listen to me. Hussain, today there was an article which said that Hussain, telling you something. Hussain, stop spitting from the mouth like that. Understand when you are spoken to. Speak like a civilized person. Why do you have to keep spitting when you talk?
एक सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे सकते मेरे।
Why do you spit when you talk? Keep your mouth closed.
अर्नब में सिर्फ
अर्नब नहीं, अर्नब है,
अर्नब है, गर्नब है, ढरनब है, ठरनब है,
जो भी है, तुम पाकिस्तानी तो सब मेरा ही नाम लेते हो ना दिन रात।
अरे जिहादी,
तुम्हारी पूरी मीडिया तो मेरा नाम लेती है दिन रात, मेरे शो देखती है।
कोई नहीं लेता, कोई जानता भी नहीं है।
हाँ, और दूसरी बात यह है, the strategic question tonight is this. The strategic question. I welcome Abdul Samad Yaqub. I welcome Abdul Samad Yaqub. Abdul Samad Yaqub. What is the view of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf of Imran Khan? Because your party has considerable and very large support all over. And Abdul Samad Yaqub.
इंडिया को ठोकने के लिए बैठे हैं।
अब्दुल समाद याकूब को मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, ये ठोकना वोकना ये सब बोलना बंद कीजिए। जब ईरान ने आपको ठोका था, तब आपने क्या किया? हेलो, ये हम तुमको ठोकेंगे and all. Don't speak in that language with me. I'll ask you a straight question. They won't like it. It's going to hurt. मैं कुछ बोलूंगा, इनको लगेगी, मैं इनको पूछूंगा, पूछूं इनको समझ, पूछूं,
अरे दिमागी नहीं,
पूछूं इनको मैं। अब मेरा जवाब दीजिए। उस समय भी इन्होंने Hussain, when Iran's foreign minister Hussein Amir Abdullahian
कुमार ने आज क्यों रिजाइन दिया, ये क्यों नहीं बता रहे हो? लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल MVS कुमार ने आज क्यों रेजिग्नेशन दी है? उसको आपने अरेस्ट क्यों किया है?
आपको बड़े इंटरेस्ट है हमारे आर्मी में। अरे भाई मेरी बात सुनो, हम आपको मिलकर ठोकेंगे ना।
अरे कल रात को तुम्हारा पाकिस्तान चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ
कराची में घूम रहा था रात को,
बता देना।
और फिर रात को 11 बजे लाहौर उतरा है। अगर हो सके तो लाहौर बचा लेना। अरे हो सके तो लाहौर बचा लेना।
क्यों डर रहे हो? क्यों आपकी फौज मना कर रही है?
डर रहा है, लाहौर बचाने के लिए बोल रहा है।
के
लाहौर बचाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं।
अब्दुल समाद याकूब,
कराची बचा लेना।
Abdul Samad Yaqub, my question is to you. My question is to you, Abdul Samad Yaqub. Others, volume down. Mr. Yaqub, ये सब जो बड़ी बड़ी बातें, ये शहबाज शरीफ के सरकार और उनके जितने चमचे हैं जो बोलते रहते हैं हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. When Iran carried out multiple strikes, right, on Pakistan, retaliatory strikes, right, and all these people, Iranians said that we have attacked the soil of Pakistan. And then after attacking, I'll tell you, Abdul Samad Yaqub, उसके बाद Iranian foreign minister ने फ़ोन उठाई और फ़ोन उठा के इन्होंने शहबाज शरीफ, वहाँ के foreign minister सबके साथ बात करके कहा, देखिए, we have attacked you, we have hit you, we have fired missiles in Pakistani soil, please stop, otherwise we'll go after your territorial integrity. ये जितने ये हुसैन जैसे, हुसैन थिबो और इरशाद जैसे लोग बैठे हैं कि हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, पाकिस्तान said sorry to Iran and promised not to counter retaliate, and then this action, moment there were huge strikes. So my question is, Abdul Samad Yaqub, if that is the response to Iran, consider India, whose armies, whose military power, whose economy is many, many times bigger than Iran. So ये बोलने की बात दूसरी होती है, जैसे कहते हैं ना हिंदी में एक मुहावरा है, हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और, है ना? ये खाने के दांत कुछ और है, दिखाने के कुछ और है. जब ईरान ने इनको मारा तब कुछ तो नहीं कर पाए. Till now the only person they have successfully targeted is Imran Khan. They have not been able to target anybody else outside their country. Abdul Samad Yaqub, what would you say to all these people who are saying we are going to hit India and all the other stuff? Please, Abdul Samad Yaqub.
Well, anyone who understands the wars or General Saab is here who far better understand what is the actual war is. I mean, if we compare on the paper, there is no doubt that India is far more superior in a conventional war. And I don't want to live in the state of the denial. Fact of the matter is, yes, India is far more superior. And we always claim and we always successfully defend ourselves. So fact of the matter is, Pakistan is not facing any security dilemma at the moment. Pakistan is facing the leadership dilemma, the leadership crisis.
Yeah.
Because no nation state can go into the war or can defend itself when there is so much polarization, when there is so much divide, when there is so much hatred against the current puppet regime. So this prime minister, not a prime minister, but a prime puppet who has no capability or capacity to unite the nation. Nobody pays any heed to this puppet prime minister. The fact, this is unfortunately the irony is. डॉक्टर साहब यार, डॉक्टर साहब आपने रिपोर्ट बना के देनी ISI को, आपने बना के देना. आज मैं इतने मिनट के लिए मैंने जनाब बहुत अच्छा बोला, मुझे शाबाश दे दें, वो आपको शाबाश दे देंगे. आप ISI से आज कल से आप मिन्नतें कर रहे हैं. I mean, from last night they are gone mad. These people, PML goons, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इधर उधर जा रहे हैं कि जी इसको पकड़ो, इसको अरेस्ट करो, इसको जेल में डालो, इसको ISI उठा के ले जाए. ये कल से मिन्नतें कर रहे हैं.
Put him in the middle. Put someone in the middle. Someone in the middle.
ये मेरे लिए
तुम्हारे हाथों से मैं बिरयानी बनवाऊंगा
सोशल मीडिया
और लिटा के तुम्हें मिट्टी और कीचड़ में तुम्हें बाहर धूप में बिठा के रखूंगा. देखना तुम्हारा क्या हाल करूंगा.
कुत्ते के बाल बांधो,
कुत्ते के गले में पट्टा होता है ना, वो पट्टा पहना के तुम्हें तुम्हारे घर के बाहर बांध के रखूंगा.
कुत्ते के पिंजरे में, और
तुम्हें तुम्हारे हाथों से बिरयानी बनवा के तुम्हें खिलवाऊंगा, जिसके अंदर हिंदुस्तानी मसाले मैं डालूंगा.
The issue is here, जो बात इरशाद जी जो बात रिपीटेडली पाकिस्तान के कितने एनालिस्ट, अभिजीत, कितने एनालिस्ट कह रहे हैं कि हमारे कंट्री में बहुत बड़ी फूट है. एक तो आसिम मुनीर, एंटी आसिम मुनीर और प्रो आसिम मुनीर ग्रुप है. एक पीटीआई ग्रुप है, एक एंटी पीटीआई ग्रुप है, एक पीएमएलएन है, एक पीएमएलएनएस है, एक पीपीपी है. There are many divisions. They are divided country. There's Sindh, Baluchi, Gilgit, Baltistan.
9 corps commanders on different
It's a broken country. We need to do nothing.
इमरान खान पार्टी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 70% पाकिस्तान की अवाम पीटीआई के साथ है और पीटीआई
को दिखाओ,
निकाल के मारा है.
दिखाओ
मेजर सूर को कुत्ते के साथ
बलूचिस्तान में
बांधूंगा.
इतने क्लेंजिंग की है जैसे तुमने बलूच के जवान बच्चे जवान बच्चियां औरतों के साथ रेप किया है, मैस ग्रेप बनाए हैं. अब तुम भी पीटीआई के लोगों के साथ यही कर रहे हो. अरे तुम्हारे आपस में एकता है ही नहीं.
मैं कह रहा हूं अभी तो बांधा भी नहीं है और उसकी तरफ भौंक रहे हो.
अरे तुम्हें तो रेबीज हो गई है. मैं रेबीज का इंजेक्शन तुम्हारे लिए लेके आऊंगा.
मैं कह रहा हूं.
No, but seriously, on a serious note, one Abhijit, if they had the ability to strike back, they would have done a counter-retaliatory strike with Iran. When Iran struck with missiles, they chose not to do that. They say we chose. I don't think they have the ability. Do they have the ability? Hussein comes here and makes these hyperballistic statements. The fact of the matter is, Iran justified its action. They said we have attacked Pakistan. And Pakistan failed to reply. Hussein, you did not reply. You were hammered with missiles. Hussein, you did not reply. The world saw. You're an impotent country that could not reply.
Pakistan is gone. Iran is attacking. Afghanistan is attacking.
Hussein and Abhijit.
Their financial reserves are enough for about 3 weeks. Now, what are you going to do without money? Where can you go without money? You know, it costs right now, their weekly expenditure is something like $1.5 billion. With the full mobilization, it goes up to $3.5 billion. With the full war expenditure, it goes up to $6-7 billion a year, a week. They're going to be bankrupt in about 10-15 days. You know, money doesn't come out of thin air or no. So they can claim whatever they want. But after 10 days, they really can't do much. Who's going to give them money? Nobody's, even their dear friends, Qatar aren't giving them money. Turkey isn't giving them money. China isn't giving them money. Nobody's bailing them out of their economic situation.
You must remember, Hussein,
soldiers going to be
you must remember, Hussein, look at the watch now. Hussein, Islamabad is 19 minutes away for BrahMos.
Whole nation is ready. We are behind our army chief.
But where is your army chief? I don't see him. Where is he? KK. Last word to KK tonight.
Correct thing. Your all 9 corps commanders are divided. You know, Arnav brought it out from Iran side. You know, Iran, Afghanistan along the Turan line. You know this. It has happened in Spin Baldock. It has happened in Chaban border. Your 53 people have been killed today. Indian army is now coming from this side. You are gone. Our navy will be coming through both. Your Godar and Karachi gone. What you will do? We will take and the CPAC, we will cut it from the north. You know this? We will cut it. You keep shouting like this.
I wish Samar, the Pakistanis, I feel sorry for them. They are very, very confused. They're coming on Indian television and just saying what they want, but they know heart of heart. They know heart of heart, they don't know what they're heading in for. It's a period of immense uncertainty for a economically bankrupt country like Pakistan to try and get into a situation like this. I see uncertainty in their eyes.
I can say only one thing to the audience, Arnab, that never give the enemy something what he is wanting the most and at what time. So you're not going to get it when you are wanting it. लड़ाई चाहिए ना तुम्हें जंग तो वो तब देंगे जब तुम्हें उम्मीद ही नहीं होगी. अभी जो तैयारियां करनी है कर लो और जब कद्दू कटेगा तुम सब में बटेगा और देखना 1 महीने बाद ये सारे बुजदल यूके यूएई कनाडा में अपने रिश्तेदारों के घरों में मिलेंगे या टीवी के सामने आके.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you at this time. 91% of our viewers feel that our kinetic response should target only the Pakistani army. At 9 o'clock tonight, the Prime Minister has given a free hand. There's been big meetings, ladies and gentlemen, huge meetings that have been across the national capital. I gave a bureau of these meetings. Rajnath Singh, Ajit Doval, Anil Chauhan, CDS, Army Chief, Naval Staff, Air Staff have all been there in these meetings. There was a meeting that started 7:30 between Amit Shah and Prime Minister Modi. Clearly something important is going to happen. Now, at a time like this, you can expect the Congress to do what it does the best. Today, they have been fighting very hard once again for Pakistan. Rahul Gandhi is on Pakistan's side. We'll debate that when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.